All right, Amari. Difficult result to take here at home. What's your thoughts on today's game?
We had the chances. The chances were there. Obviously, we missed the penalty. That would have leveled the game. We had a few more one clear off the line. We just need to try and be more clinical, and then we'll start winning games.
All right. So going into the second leg, we're down one goal. What do you think you guys have to work on going into the second leg?
Like I said, we need to be more clinical. If you don't score goals, then you don't win games. So I think that's the first thing. Secondly, we just need to get the press better at times and limit them to possession. And when we have the ball, also keep the ball a little bit better.
All right. So I kind of realized that the field, I know persons don't like to use the field as an excuse, but we could see where the field condition maybe wasn't the best. Going into the second leg into the States, we expect to have better conditions. Do you think that will help the team?
100%. The field here is terrible, man. It's terrible. I'm sorry to say, but yeah. So obviously going over there, having a better field will definitely help for sure.
All right, Omari. So last day we had a record number of attendance